students, welcome. We are now going to learn about first aid. Okay, let's now understand what first aid is. First aid is an immediate help given to a person who is sick or injured. First aid is when you become a helpful friend to someone who is sick before the doctor arrives. It is very important to learn about first aid because even in science laboratories, accidents do occur. Let's first understand the importance of first aid. First, it can help save a life. Second, it makes the person feel better faster. Third, it takes away the pain. Also, it prevents permanent disability and keeps the person from feeling worse. Accidents can occur in the science laboratory, and it is very important that we know what causes them so that we can be careful. Let's check them now. The first reason that may cause accidents is not following instructions. Sometimes when you are doing experiment, you might not follow instructions. That is very dangerous. The second reason is having chemical spills on the floor. If there are chemical spills on the floor and are not cleaned, someone might slip and fall down. The third reason is if we are not careful with the chemicals. Remember, chemicals in the laboratories are very dangerous and can harm our skin or eyes. The fourth reason is when we use our equipment in the wrong way. If we use them in a wrong way, it can drop and may cause accidents in the laboratory. The fifth reason is if we swallow chemicals. Remember, we are not allowed to eat or drink anything in the laboratory because some chemicals are very harmful. The sixth reason is improper disposal. If we don't dispose chemicals away, they might explode or cause fire. The seventh reason is not having sufficient or enough air in the laboratory. If we don't have enough air, fresh air, we might feel sick. The eighth reason is if there is gas leakage from equipment. If gas leaks from equipment, that is very dangerous and can even explode. The ninth reason is using wrong chemicals. If we use wrong chemicals during experiments, we can even get hurt or break our equipment. The 10th reason is electrical shock. If we touch electrical equipment with our wet hands, we might get electrical shock. The 11th reason is not knowing what to do during the experiment. If we don't ask, then we can do messy things and get hurt. The 12th reason is eating and drinking. Remember, we should not drink or eat anything in the laboratory because it might mix with some chemical particles. Let's now understand about first aid kit. This is a box that contains all items needed for first aid. What you see here in the screen is an example of first aid kit with its components inside that box. Remember, every laboratory must have first aid kit. It can be purchased or the school can arrange its own. Let's now have a look on the components of the first aid kit. Inside the first aid kit, you will find various items, each with its special use. Let's now check one after another. The first item is bandage. This is usually used to cover cuts and scrapes so that they are kept clean and they can heal early. The picture you see on the screen shows step by step how to cover cuts and scrapes using a bandage. Let's now have a look on disposable gloves. The main use of disposable gloves is to cover hands to avoid transmission of infections from one person to another. Let's now have a look on petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is used for smoothing or softening a dry, cracked, and sore skin. Another substance in the first aid kit is liniment. This is used to reduce muscles pains. Another substance in the first aid kit is a torch. A torch is used as a source of light. Also, in the first aid kit, we have a whistle. The whistle is used to call for help. We just blow for help. Another component is a first aid guide. This contains guidelines on how to use each item in the first aid kit. Another item found in the first aid kit is sterile gauze. This is used for covering wounds. Another item is antiseptic. This is used for cleaning wounds to kill germs. Another item found in the first aid kit is a soap. A soap is used for washing hands, wounds, and equipment. Another item is razor blade and scissor. These are used for cutting. Another item is a safety pin. This is used for securing bandage on the wounds. Also, in the first aid kit, we have cotton wool. This is used for cleaning wounds. Another item in the first aid kit is a thermometer. This is used to measure the body temperature. Another item found in the first aid kit is painkiller, such as paracetamol. These are used to give relief in our body. Another item is gentian violet. This is specifically used for treating fungus. The last item is iodine tincture. This is usually applied on the cotton wool for cleaning wounds.